Hi, I'm Rebecca with Invest West Management. We manage single-family homes, condos, duplexes, apartments, and homeowners associations in Clark and Cowlitz counties, as well as the Vancouver-Portland metro area. Today, I'm going to chat with you a little bit about how to find great maintenance for your investment property. One of the most important things you can do is make sure that any maintenance company that you talk to provides a written estimate and proof that they are licensed, bonded, and insured. You may find another vendor who may be willing to come out for half the price, but if they do not have those documentation and someone were injured on the property doing that job, you could be liable. So that is one of the most important things that you can do. You're also going to want to check their references. Ask them for references of similar jobs. And do take the time to make those calls. You really want to be sure that the quality of work that is performed is up to your standard. If they ask for money in advance, that might be a red flag. If it was a large job, such as a roof replacement, it may be typical that you may need to put a portion of the money down for materials. But be very careful with signing over a large amount of funds to a company with no references, no insurance, no license, no bonded. That might be a great way to lose some money. Once you've done all of those steps, you have the best chance of having a good outcome. As an investment owner, you also want to have a plan in place for emergency maintenance and repairs. Who's going to take that call at 2 a.m. when your tenant calls with a flood in the unit? Do they know where the water shutoffs are? Those are things that are important that your tenant should know. It might help mitigate some damage. And you need to have a plan in place, either that you're going to take that call or who would be qualified to take that call in your absence. If you follow these steps, you have the very best chance of having a successful outcome with your investment property, keeping maintenance expenses to a minimum, and making sure that your investment and your asset is cared for properly. If you have any questions about this or any other topic, please give us a call.